did you know that you can create your own storybooks with the AI, turn them into a real physical product, and build an entire brand around a character? And honestly, this is such a smart idea because you're not just creating a book, you're creating an entire world for kids. You can tie this to a YouTube channel, to short videos, educational content, or to a website even. And with Printify, you can turn these creative ideas into actual inventory without having to hold that inventory yourself or ship the products yourself. Printify is free to start, and with the link below and my code, you can get 20% off for your first order of maximum $100. It integrates with platforms such as Shopify, Etsy, or WooCommerce, and it is super easy to use. So in today's video, we're going to go through the entire process, creating a character, creating a kid's storybook, and adding it to Printify's new storybooks that you can then just have them delivered with Printify. You can create educational books for toddlers around your character. You can create multiple languages storybooks so you can teach kids different languages and so much more. So the very first thing that I would do when I want to get this started is think of a character, of my brand. What will this be all about? So for example, if you have a YouTube channel about a character that is all focused on teaching English people Spanish, so English kids Spanish, then your entire website can be about that, and your character in storybooks can be about exactly that, teaching kids colors in Spanish, teaching kids the numbers in Spanish, teaching kids different vegetables, fruits, and so much more in Spanish. And this is going to be so much easier and so much more fun for them because they will already be familiar with your character from YouTube, for example. So you need to really know and set this for yourself. So what the brand is going to be about. Are these books for toddlers, preschoolers, early education, early readers, and what is its purpose? So is it educational? Is it bedtime friendly, funny, calming? What is it? Make sure to know these about your book before you start creating it. Then you can start by creating the storyline with AI or just the prompts for each page with AI. So we're going to do this together. We're going to add everything to Printify after that, and we're going to see how it turns out. Books, there you go. Hardcover board book. This one is perfect for kids' books, as you see. And you can click start designing. You can see the size. We're going to go to ChatGPT and say this: create a cute book character for kids featuring a blonde little girl named Lola with... Okay, I'm asking it to create the character for me first because I wanted to have a reference to create the entire character and the entire storyline using that character. And I'm also going to open Canva because I'm going to refine everything inside Canva. So I'm just going to log in. I'm going to create a custom size, inches, and I'm going to use the size of the book, and I'm just going to have it here because we need it. So there you go, it created the character. I feel like it's a bit too childish. It's creating it again, and then I'm going to say I am creating a kids book called Learn Spanish with Lola, ages 1 to 3. Let's learn the colors in Spanish. Also add the text in Spanish below this one. Create the book cover. So I'm asking it to create the cover. You can pick whatever character you want. Just make sure that your book has a goal. And then you can sell these books on Etsy, you can sell them on Amazon, you can sell them on your own site. Again, This is really useful if you have a brand, a kid's brand already. You can use Printify to create all sorts of merch type products and all sorts of products to increase your revenue. So this is a great revenue stream. This is great. This is actually really nice. Create the first page for red. Add Lola too. Add the text in English and in Spanish. Okay, while this is being done, I'm going to Canva. I'm uploading the photo from ChatGPT because it's a different size. As you can see, it's not our book size. I'm going to click edit. I'm going to go here to magic expand whole page, and I'm going to expand it. And then our cover is going to be ready. Okay, done. Another one. I'm going to say the second page for green. So I'm just going to create a few pages so you can see how everything looks. Again, I'm uploading everything. You can add any character that you want. It's not mandatory to use one character, but this can make kids remember it and make it fun for them to learn. There you go, and we're also going to add the green. And then we're going to add everything inside Printify. Obviously, you need to check everything. I don't have the time to check it right now, but you need to check everything. If ChatGPT makes mistakes, tell it to refine it, to do it right before you actually publish the book. There you go. And we're going to download them in high resolution so we can have them ready to be printed with Printify. Okay, we're going to unzip them. And we're just going to see here, we have the front cover and the back cover. I'm just going to upload the front cover and pages 1 and 2. So the red and the green. You can really see the text, so make sure that you create it in a way that all the text is visible and on the line, for example. There we go, something like this. Then we're going to click preview and we're going to see the book. As you can see, there are a few things right here that we need to refine. We can see the front. It looks good, but you need to make it bigger. So we're going back to editing and you need to make it the right size. So obviously you'll need to modify these in Canva a little bit. There you go, this looks so much better. And then we can see it open. And it looks so good. And then you can see the inside. Obviously, again, you need to make some modifications. Go back and forth until everything looks good. There you go, this looks so much better. So as you can see, the next thing you need to do is just fill out all the pages, then save the product, select the mockups that you want to use, and then save selection. Looks really nice. You can choose, it already kind of created a title for you and the description, and you can add the price, so what your profit is going to be, how the retail price is compared to the production cost and shipping cost. And then once you click publish, it's going to be live in your store. So there you go. This is exactly how you create kids storybooks and educational storybooks using Printify. You can use this to say nighttime storybooks with different characters and create anything you want for your brand to increase your revenue. If you want to check out Printify, you can do so at the link in the description, and make sure to use my coupon code for 20% off your first order. If the video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram and TikTok for more such content. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!